Hey y'all, it's Abria. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you guys so much to 20k subscribers. I'm still kind of new to this YouTube stuff, so please drop some recommendations of what I could do to celebrate. I really appreciate you guys more than you know. Today I'll be giving you guys an in-depth tutorial on how I did this curly quick weave with 2 little twists in the front. I'm going to be installing 3 22-inch deep wave bundles from West Kids Hair. Happy 2025, y'all. I missed y'all. It's just been a lot going on with me graduating, and I just been feeling like everything has been taking up my time. But those were just few of the goodies that they sent me in my package. So I had already had my hair break it down for a tutorial that I'm going to be dropping for you guys very soon on the U-Port wig that I did. So it was no point in me redoing that mold down, so I'm just going to re-oil my scalp. As y'all can see, I had that U-Port on for a little minute too. It wasn't even the hair I just had in. It was another U-Port wig that was some curly hair. But yeah, stay tuned because I'm going to drop a tutorial on that and my spring break vlog. Okay, so let's get into this tutorial. So I'm going to start off by putting my protective shield on my cap just to make sure that no glue gets on my hair. I'm also going to go in with some Godspeed glue spray, as you guys can see. And so I usually don't apply my cap this way, where like the edges of the cap is where my I guess you can say foundation starts. I usually pull it up and cut ear tabs out. I don't know why I did it this way this time. I would not do this again, y'all. So if you don't understand what I'm saying, go to one of my different tutorials on how I do my caps. But basically I just pull it all the way down and cut off ear tabs. That way that cap is as close to your foundation as possible. Also, your cap won't lift as easy when you're cutting out your leave out. So I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to start applying my tracks. I'm going to be laying most of these tracks going directly towards my face because the look is like really natural, and I want my leave out to blend as naturally as possible, like my front pieces. So I'm going to lay all these tracks going directly towards my face. I didn't edit out any of the track placement, so you guys will see how many tracks I got out of each bundle. so now that all the hair is installed, I'm going to take my sheet heat protectant, my camera shine spray, and my camera medium spray to prep my leave out for pressing. I didn't have to go through and reflat or anything. I could just press it out because my leave out was giving like old silk press. Don't worry guys, the smoke is just from all of the sprays I have on my hair. But so now we're going to get into twisting, and I'm just doing a little short twist, a little dainty look for this curly hair, and I'm just going to take like maybe 3 bobby pins to secure those twists. So I have the twist looking semi-identical, and now I'm just going to start blending my natural hair with the weave. When I'm blending my leave out, I do like to take some weave in my natural hair. I feel like the curl lasts longer and makes the blend more seamless. I do have my 3/8-inch iron listed on my Amazon storefront. I actually don't think it's this exact one, but I have another one listed that I also like because I think the one I have is discontinued. I'm also curling towards my face for like the twisted parts of my hair, but for like the back part, I'm just like alternating from going towards my face away from my face. just going to go through and cut a little bit to add a little shape to the hair. I feel like it looked like really heavy. And I do like bigger hair too. So I feel like a little bigger shaping will give me a more rounder look. And this is the finished product, guys. I really like how this turned out. It's such a cute and dainty look. It will be perfect for my upcoming Founders Day. Let me know what you guys think in the comments and what tutorials you guys want to see next.